Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make stickers never animate on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click accessibility, and here as you see you will find never animate. Click on it. That's it. That's how to make stickers never animate on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.